Beautiful birds. Part 2. 5. Puffin. P-U-F-F-I-N. Puffin. Vocabulary. Covered. Waterproof. Feathers. Beak. The puffin is also called the sea parrot. It is covered with waterproof feathers. A puffin's beak changes colour during the year. Six. Toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. Vocabulary. Bill. Black-bodied. Plumage. Distance. The toucan is known for its large, colourful bill. It has black-bodied plumage. It can fly for short distances only. Seven. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Vocabulary. Powerful. Prey. Excellent. Talon. The eagle is a large, powerful bird of prey. It has a large, hooked beak and excellent eyesight. It has powerful talons, which help it catch prey. Eight. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. Vocabulary. Pecking. Bark. Feathers. Nostrils. The woodpecker is known for pecking holes in tree bark. It has feathers covering its nostrils. has 4 toes, 2 facing the front and 2 facing the back.
Somewhere deep in the jungle, you can hear the birds singing their jingles in many sounds, in many colors. Let's learn the birds of paradise together. Talk, 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 talk. I wonder who is making the loud knocks. Oh, it's the woodpecker with his bright red crown and a knocking sound. Hummingbirds are the tiniest, and they can fly really fast. They can hover like helicopters and feed on their favorite nectars. Here come the Orioles, flying in their bright yellows, wearing their black eye masks. Under the sun they like to bask. The birds of paradise come in many sounds, in many colors, all waiting for you to come and discover, to come and discover.